What's up everybody, Hudson here, and welcome back to our at-home dumbbell workout routine. Today we have a short 10-minute workout for you guys, but in that 10 minutes, we're gonna work hard, we're gonna give it everything we got, and be totally done and spent by the end of it. Now before we jump into it, be sure to check out the description down below for a really fast warm-up to make sure your body is warmed up and primed and ready for these exercises we have going on. Once you've done that, let's dive into the movements and the style of today's workout and then get right after it. Alright, now today's workout is a 10-minute AMRAP, and AMRAP means as many rounds and reps as possible. So no matter how fast or slow you're going, we're trying to work hard for 10 minutes, and then how many rounds and reps you complete at the very end is our score for today's workout. Now the first exercise we have is a dumbbell hang clean to overhead. So for these, you're going to stand up nice and tall with the dumbbell in between your hips. You're going to swing from the hips, creating power by squeezing your glutes. From there you pop and pull it to the shoulder, dip and punch overhead. You're going to bring it back to the shoulders and then switch hands. And for the first round of this workout, we're going to complete 4 total, so 2 on each side. Once we've done that, then we're going to pop that dumbbell below the chin. We're going to keep our core nice and tight. We have mantis get-ups. So for these, you lunge back with one leg, the other leg follows, come back to that front lunge, and then back to standing. That's 1 rep, and we're going to do 5 mantis get-ups. But the kicker is, every single time we come back to the dumbbell hang clean to overhead, we're adding 4 reps. So for the very first round, we're doing 4, followed by 5 mantis get-ups. Then we do 8, 5 mantis get-ups, 12, and 5. And we repeat that pattern until the 10 minutes is up. So go ahead, snag your water, grab your dumbbell, make sure you have space around you, and let's get into it. All right guys, and here we go, get ready. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Stand tall, pop the hips, bring to the shoulder, and then dip and punch. From there, switch sides. This first round, we're doing 2 each side. Once you've done 2 each side, and then place it below the chin, you have 5 mantis get-ups. Keep that core tight, make sure you're not arching your back. Alright, once you've done 5, then we have 4 each side of the hang clean to overhead. Make sure you're going at a pace you can hold on to. Don't go too hot out the gate. We want to try to move non-stop for 10 minutes. Alright, back to mantis get-ups. Make sure you control that knee all the way to the floor. Don't drop it too hard. Alright, minute and a half in already. These first rounds feel really slow, but it picks up those last few rounds. And we have 6 each side. All that power comes from the hips. Pop it to the shoulders, pop it overhead. Six each side here. On to get-ups. Alright guys, 3 minutes in. If you're right behind me, try to keep up. If you're ahead of me, don't let me catch you. It's only 10 minutes, we gotta push it. Pop the hips, pop the hips. If you gotta break it up, that's okay. Just keep that rest short. This is where time starts to pick up a little bit. Once you get to those bigger sets, time goes a little quicker. We gotta keep moving. All right, starting around the 20s. Hang in there with me. Don't be afraid to break it up. That helps you stay consistent and not blow up. Tiny breaks are better than really long breaks. We're officially halfway. I got 8 more with a round of 20. Just past halfway, we're at 5:30 right now. This is where you gotta mentally push yourself. As you get tired, as you wanna rest, tell yourself, just keep moving. That's all you gotta do. You don't gotta go fast, just keep going. All right, we're at 24. We're just under 7 minutes. How far can we get? I'm at 16 of 24. Short break, short break. 2 minutes left, everybody. Four. 90 seconds left. Last minute. Push you hard for one more minute, everybody. Let's go. Ooh. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, time. It only took 10 minutes and we're absolutely covered in sweat. Thank you guys so much for joining me on that at-home dumbbell workout. If you guys enjoy these videos and want more just like them, hit that like button and subscribe. And let me know down below in the comments what was your score today, as well as what exercise you would like to see in the next workout video. But in the meantime, be sure to check out our at-home dumbbell workout playlist for more videos just like this. If you want to show your support to the channel, check out the links down below for discounts on my favorite fitness products. Thanks again, you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.